Hi guys, what we're doing today?
Doing some hand drawing.
Hand drawings. Not drawings of hands. No, things that you can make out of your hands. Yeah, like, I'm not going to do a butterfly. We could do a butterfly, that's dead easy. We've got lots of animals, haven't we? We're going to start with easy ones and they're going to get harder. Harder and harder and harder. Right, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it to it. Right, so number one, octopus.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to put our hands down, yeah, and make 3 gaps. 1, 2, 3.
2.
Yeah?
2.
You still need a gap, a little gap here. That's it, beautiful. Now draw around your hand. Off we go. Beautiful. Now we're working in pencil. Why we work in pencil? In case you make a mistake. Oh, that might be a bit wobbly. Once you're done there, lovely. Down at the bottom, lift up, join this bit here with that bit there in a nice curve. That's number one thing. Now, get your little finger, little pinky, right, and stick it there and draw just around where the line is. So around there and just down. Beautiful. Then in this gap.
There's a little bit there.
That's okay.
Can rub it out.
We can rub it out. That's why we work in pencil. And then that's it, a bit further up. That's it. Draw around there. And then you can guess where the last one goes in this gap over here.
It's ginormous.
Like that.
Like that.
Nice. Right.
Okay. Oh, I got a sharpener instead of a rubber there.
Right, okay. Right, now turn your paper upside down.
Like this.
Lovely. Right. So you've got something there. Now circle here. Circle there. Nice. You're also going to have big eyes. Right. Little smile. Should we give him some cheeky cheeks? 1, 2. Right. Look. Now this is tricky. Are you paying attention? Just here. Right. On the back of where the thumb is. Yeah. Draw a line down. Like that. From the top of the thumb all the way down. Yeah. Draw some circles in. Nice. Now this one, the finger behind here. Circles all over. Little circles. Yeah. Nice. This one here. Right, here, watching. So from where the middle of these 2 fingers that are close together, down there. That's it, and down to the bottom. Yeah, do a couple of circles on that. That's it, it's these tentacles. I'll straighten that line up there because that was where my ring was. So, and some circles on this one. That's the finger that's in between the thumb and the other finger. Yeah. Super. And then we're going to give him some cute little highlights in the eyes. So, big circle, little circle. Can you remember doing that? Big circle, little circle. Yeah, nice. Right, and now we're going to do some colouring in. So, right, there's a little bit of colour, and because these are quick drawings, we're not going to colour it all in, are we? We're just going to do some little highlights like this. Let's get some of these. Look. What's that look like?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Do you want some seaweed? Whoop. Like that. There's some yellow. we're doing quick ones. What's this one? Brownie grey. That might work. That's like a sandy colour. See what that's like. Oh, lovely. On the bottom. And then maybe, what's this? Some fish. There's a little one there. Tiny little one over here. Fish. 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 Swimming around, mind his own business. In the sea. How good's that? That's number 1. Octopus. What was next? Can you remember?
A rabbit.
Rabbit. Right. So, for rabbit. Can you remember how we do it?
Put that down.
Like that. So, using your hand that you don't draw with, yeah? Get your pencil and draw around it like that. So, V for victory. Off we go. Around. Up here. Up here. Down there. Down there. That's it. Right. So, over here on the bump, see the bump that comes out? Over here. This belt there. Belt here. What you want to draw is a little circle. Oh, it's more of an oval, isn't it? I can nearly see the rabbit straight away. Right, then from there, you want to come down and go out. Whoop. Down and go out. And then over here.
I know what that is.
That is his mouth. That's
Then,
it.
it is a monkey. We need to draw a line again.
No. So you can straighten a couple of these lines up. So here, see up here, just above there, we'll draw in a line like that, and then same height, an oval just next to it. Yeah, that's okay. Right, and then we're going to do circles at the bottom of them. Need to do them. Put a circle in there and a circle in there. Do you think your rabbit wants hair?
Yeah.
Put some hair in. Should we do his teeth? Yeah. We'll give him.
Pretty big teeth.
Yeah, you know, we give him little teeth, big teeth. It's up to you.
And we give him some.
Nice. You can put his mouth in behind there as well if you want to make him happy or sad.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely.
Yeah.
It's a little smile.
Cool. And you ready? He needs these like rabbity bits that stick off the side of his face. Nice. I'm gonna put some over here as well. Look, just a few on this side because it looks like it's behind. So make them littler. That's it. Nice. Perfect. Look at that. And now to tell that he's a rabbit.
Yeah, I need
His ears in. There, right, outlines and colour. Right, so that's some lines on, and we're gonna give a little. I'm gonna put a little bit. I like the pink ears. That's a good idea. I'm just gonna do these quick. Pink ears, bit of colour.
Because everybody needs a bit of pink ears.
Pink ears makes them very Easter-like. I'm gonna give them a pink nose. Oh, I tell you what, we've not given them whiskers. He needs his big whiskers.
Maybe give
Yeah.
him a pink nose.
Shum, shum. There we go. Now he looks like a rabbit. Look at them, nice and big ones. Way.
I got
Rabbit.
really big ones.
So crocodile.
This way?
Yeah, let's do it that way. Let's do it straight up.
Straight up.
Right, and from here, what we want to do is put your fingers like that. So all these three together. This is our middle difficulty one, right? And then, can you tuck your little finger away? That's tricky, isn't it? So it's like that. That's the shape I want. Ready? So starting up here, get your pencil. Where's your pencil gone?
Okay, my pencil. Here.
I know, you can't draw around your hand with no pencil. It doesn't work, look. Doesn't. Can't use your finger or anything. You need a pencil. Pencil. Right, ready? So from over here, all the way up, round your little finger, up over that finger, middle finger, and down over your pointy finger, down, round your thumb, close round the thumb, there's a good reason, and then to here. Beautiful. First thing, up here, further over, so, yep, big circle here, yeah,
Big circle. That is that.
yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Now you see you've made your mouth, he's quite close together, mine's quite wide apart.
He's like, I want a little bit.
So you put little teeth in there, right? And I'm going to put some big ones in like this.
So tiny, I'm doing quite a lot
Oh,
of these.
he's got loads, he's very hungry. Right,
I want to eat you all up.
do a line across there. And then we'll put a circle just below.
To make him look very angry.
Yeah, I'll show you what this is. So from here, where your thumb is, yeah, go up. Like that, so along and up. Nice. Then from here, just here, yeah, go up and back. Brilliant. So from the back over here, that's his head, yeah. From the back of there, we're going to do a bump down. Nice, right. And then see here where we've got this line that comes off from underneath where the hand is? That's his tummy now, yeah. That's what he's lying on. So from the back of that line, we're going to do like a sausage out.
Sausage out.
Sausage out, that's nice. Little curve at the back. Now we're going to do from there a big arch over the top to here. Wonderful. We're going to do a big line. You ready for this one? Watch this. Oh, there you are.
That is tail.
Yeah, that's his tail. Then from the bottom of his foot, see here, we're going to go and match it up just like that. Yeah.
Mine's such a tiny crocodile, but a big tail.
He's got a massive tail. Right, we're going to put some details on, like his little pointy toes. These nasty little pointy toes. Right, let's give some lines, and we're back in a sec. Right, so we're back. We've done a bit of colour around there. Do you know what? Where do crocs usually sit? Do you think? Do they sit in there near
I
the?
think they sit on a rock.
Sit on rocks? Do you think? Probably put a rock underneath.
Oh, with this grey maybe.
Scribbling like that. Just give them something to kind of sit on.
Mine.
Nice rock. Excellent rock work. I'm going to put. Here's mine. He's sat kind of next to a rocky water area. Okay, so first thing we did, that was the easiest one. That was that. That was the octopus. Yeah, you can see the hand easy on that one. That was a nice easy one, wasn't it? Cool. Then was it?
The rabbit.
Rabbit. Yeah, you see how that is? That's the fingers that way. Boing boing. Easter rabbit. Cool. And then they start getting a bit harder.
With the little croc.
Croc. Awesome. Scary. Big teeth. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Excellent. This one. Brilliant. Right. So if you enjoyed that, don't forget. Like, subscribe, share, tell everybody, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.